opening it to make sure we inspect it if there's any damage. Whoa. Very fragile. And there's no sign of fragile. So hopefully there's no damage. Whoa. So far looks good. So there's a little bit. There's some instruction here. Pre-order, call that number. Okay. In previous they have the caution, really hard to see if there's any damage here.
So basically the top is surrounded with a foam, or what is this? Protection. So it looks like, as of now, I mean, we can't see any damages until we really cut it open. But looks good here. I'm not sure about the inside though.
Yeah. Yes, they have to open it all the way. And this side it well, looks like there's no damage.
So guys, this is basically a drop-in style bathtub. What that means is that there's no panels on every side. So you have to have a carpenter to actually frame the sides, and they have to put cement underneath it. A professional electrician should also be hired because this tub has to be wired directly to the main box of the house. So expect that they might drill holes in the wall, but if they're professionals, they should patch it up really nicely.
Blue.
Light blue.
So guys, overall I'd rate this bathtub a 5, delivery a 2. Hopefully Costco changes that or addresses that. This bathtub is very luxurious. It's high gloss acrylic, easy to clean, and I love the purge, the self cleaning cycle. The pressure of the jets are perfect. It doesn't hurt my kids. My husband loves it for his back. And so give it a try. It's on sale every now and then at Costco.